Hi guys, how's everyone doing? Hope you're all safe at home. I feel learning is a process that needs to be done each and every day. Every day, if we learn something or the other new, that adds on, and learning never goes waste. This is what I feel. So, in order to add to this learning journey, today let's learn about a new language that's Spanish. Before we study Spanish, I would like to know how do we generally communicate with each other? Through emojis, through our body language, by languages as well. But when we talk in one language and if the opposite person is speaking in another language, is it easy to understand? No, right? Yeah, it becomes difficult to understand each other if we talk in different languages. So, Spanish is a language that is the second most spoken language in the world. So, let's learn about this new language today. Bienvenidos. The world is divided into different languages. You can say Northern American countries speak in English, Latin American countries speak in Spanish. Then you have French, you have Italian, you have German, you have Russian, you have Chinese, you have Japanese being spoken all across. India is also a multilingual country wherein people speak different languages from the north to the south of India and from the east to the west. According to a study that was conducted in 2019, Chinese is the most spoken language across the world, followed by Spanish being the second most spoken language. Then comes English, Hindi, Arabic, and all different languages. There are 10 different dialects in which Spanish is spoken in different Spanish speaking countries. Let's see what are some Spanish speaking countries. It's Mexico, El Salvador, Costa Rica, Peru, Chile, Brazil, Argentina, Uruguay, Spain, Puerto Rico. These are some of the countries which have Spanish as their official language. Before we study of what exactly Spanish is, let's learn about its history. The language Spanish is a dialect of spoken Latin, which was brought to the Iberian Peninsula by the Romans. That was during the Second Punic War. That was around 218 BC, and which evolved in central parts of the Iberian Peninsula, which led to the fall of the Western Roman Empire, which is around the 5th century. Every subject that we study starts with alphabets. So let's see how we pronounce alphabets in Spanish. A is pronounced as A, B is pronounced as B, C is pronounced as Se, CH is a syllable added that's pronounced as Che, D is pronounced as De, E is pronounced as A, F is pronounced as Fa, G is pronounced as K, H is pronounced as Ache, I is pronounced as E, J is pronounced as Ota, K is pronounced as K, L is pronounced as alie. Double L is another syllable added that's pronounced as alie. M is pronounced as ma. N is pronounced as na. This is another syllable added that's pronounced as anie. O is pronounced as o. P is pronounced as pe. Q is pronounced as ku. R is pronounced as ere. S is pronounced as esse. T is pronounced as te, U is pronounced as u, V is pronounced as ve, W is pronounced as w, X is pronounced as X, Y is pronounced as Y, and Z is pronounced as zeta. Sam and John would like to tell us a story. Let's see what they have to tell us. Angel is on her way to college where she meets a professor on the way. She greets her. Buenos dias, profesora. Buenos dias, Angel, her professor replies. Angel heads back to her class where she meets another professor who's new and so he asks her, ¿Cómo te llamas? That is, what is your name? Angel replies, Soy Angel. That is, my name is Angel. Angel heads back to her classroom. She meets her friend Jenny on the way. Jenny greets her, Buenos tardes, that's good afternoon. Angel replies, Buenos tardes. Jenny asks her, ¿Cómo estás? That is, how are you? Angel replies, Bien, gracias. That is fine, thank you. After a busy day at college, Angel heads back home. She greets her parents, Buenos noches, that is good evening. Her parents reply, Buenos noches, mi amor. Now that we have seen various greetings being used in this small story, let's see what they mean. Hi is hola, good morning is buenos dias, good afternoon is buenos tardes, good night is buenos noches, ¿Cómo estás is how are you, bien is fine or good, gracias is thank you, and adios is bye. Let's learn what relations are called in Spanish. A mother is called madre, a woman is called mujer. A father is called padre, a man is called hombre. A girl is called chica, a sister is called hermana, and a lady is called senora. A man or a boy is called chico, a brother is called hermano, and master or mister is called senor. Let's revise the relations once again. A girl is called chica, a boy is called el chico, a man is called hombre, a woman is called mujer, a mother is madre, and a father is padre, sister is hermana, and brother is hermano. Now let's learn what places are called. A house is called casa, a bank is called banco, a restaurant is called restaurante, a school is called escuela, theater is called el theater, and hotel is called hotel. Angel goes to the market and she sees a fisherwoman selling fish. She wants to ask her how much. She says, ¿Cuánto cuesta? That is, how much. Let's learn numbers now to see how we can reply for the question, how much? 1 is uno, 2 is dos, 3 is tres, 4 is cuatro, 5 is cinco, 6 is seis, 7, siete, 8, ocho, 9, nueve, and 10 is diez. Let's learn some question tags here. What is called qué, where is called dónde, how is called cómo, like in cómo estás, whom is called quién. Let's learn some more terms. Water is called agua, milk is called leche, fish is pescado, cheese is queso, apple being manzana, and orange is naranja. There are many interesting facts of this language, Spanish. Let's see what some of them are. It is said that Spanish grammar was first published around 1492, which is the same year wherein Columbus discovered America. It's also said that around 15.8% of the world population, that accounts for almost 31 countries, have Spanish as their official language. It is said that Spanish is the second most studied language in the world. And it is also said that it takes around 24 weeks to learn Spanish at the professional level. Isn't that interesting? They say that around $125 can be earned per hour if you are teaching Spanish in US. That's because Latin American countries have Spanish as their official language. So if you learn Spanish, you could add in more dollars. There is another interesting fact that I would want you all to find out about. That is, Spanish is also known as the most romantic language. I would want you all to find out why is it termed as the most romantic language. I hope you enjoyed the learning session today, and I hope that it was a great one. Thank you from my side. Gracias. Adios.